Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Jeep Wrangler. We'll begin by sketching the main body, which is essentially a large rectangular shape. Think of it as roughly 2 units wide and 1 unit high. Then, add 2 simple half circles at the bottom for where the wheels will go. This forms the basic foundation of our iconic vehicle, making it super easy to get started. Next, let's add the wheels and some key features. Draw 4 distinct circles for the wheels, with 2 clearly visible on each side of the body. Inside those, add smaller inner circles to represent the hubs and tire treads, giving them depth. Don't forget to sketch the iconic 7-slot grille at the front, a signature detail that makes a Jeep instantly recognizable. Now, let's focus on the windows and doors. Outline the windshield and side windows using simple rectangular shapes, keeping them proportionate to the body. Then, add the door lines. For a 4-door model, you'll typically draw 2 on each side. Don't forget to include small details like the door handles and side mirrors to bring your drawing to life. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Draw the headlights as 2 small circles, one on either side of the grille at the front. At the back, add the taillights as vertical rectangular shapes. Take a moment to refine all your lines, making them crisp and clear. Erase any initial sketch marks, and there you have it, your very own easy-to-draw Jeep Wrangler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.